My alarm clock has no snooze button. Look at that. No, no bark. No. How can anyone wake up thinking they're going to have a bad day when they wake up to this wonderful bucket of love? Gosh, you're 90 pounds of love, aren't you? Are you unimpressed that I'm not getting out of bed? I'm staring her down. That drives her crazy. Okay, I will get up. Yes, okay. Oh, no snooze button on you, is there? No. Let's go eat. Yay, time to get up. Look who knows the sound of food. He's awake. He must feed me. I will walk in front of his feet until he leads me to his food.
Caitlin, that does not look comfortable.
I think I feel comfortable.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Sadie, would you sit like that? Well, you would do anything because you're a yellow lab. Yes. You would shake? I don't have food. Oh, yeah. I like how she had to think.
Sadie, let's go clean out the camper water. Come on. Want to get the camper ready? Want to play in the water? We're going to play in the water today. Want to go? Come on. Woo-hoo. Come here. Come on. Here. Come on. Drink of water. Want to get it? Want to get it? Yeah? Oh, get it. Get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Good girl. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Drink water? Good girl. Whoa. Hey, dandelion. That's refreshing on a hot day.
So it's a hot summer day and you want to enjoy something with something healthy like, oh, how about a cucumber? I'm going to make this up. Let's go pick a cucumber. And then, let's pick a cucumber. And then let's put some kind of a salad topping with sour cream. Be nice and healthy. Probably better than a ranch. So you just simply go out to your garden and pick yourself a couple cucumbers. Wow, those are just right. And if you don't have a garden, quick, go plant one. Wow, I might make it sound easy. Wow, there's a lot of good ones right in one spot. By the way, gardening tip. Oh, that one's not ready. Gardening tip. Take an old crib frame. This is a spring thing for old crib. Just stake it up. And your viney plants, including your peas, will grow. There. Get yourself a few cucumbers, a few tomatoes, a cutting board, a little sour cream, and some salad stuff. Salad topping of any type. And you just mix them together and dip them in. There we go. Alright, after you've washed your fruit, or your vegetables, yeah, this is a fruit. Sadie, do you want a piece of cucumber? Here, Sadie. There you go. Sit. Normally I don't feed her from the dinner table, but I'm out on the picnic table, so that's different. Cut slices, and then you just take your sour cream. I have a half a tub, about 8 ounces, and so I just use this bowl. Otherwise, you could put it in a different bowl. But I'm going to experiment today. I've never done this before. I'm just making it up. Keep sprinkling some stuff in there. Stop, mix it up. I don't do proportions because I just do it by Well, not by ear because you can't hear the flavor, but I would do it by tongue. I cut them in half like that because they're easier to dip. No double dipping. See if you got it flavored right. Mmm. Was that good? If that's good, then more will make it gooder, better, right? Can you imagine a vegetarian dog? Do not. Mmm. Now we're going to try some of this stuff. Chopped up bits of things that are good in salads. Let's try just a little bit. Mmm. 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 That's great with the salad toppings. Wow. Don't overdo it. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's an explosion of goodness in my mouth. Mmm.
When you crash your car, why not just use pink duct tape? You can duct tape the door shut, possibly even tape the window to the vehicle. Yes, that is sexy. Look at this. This is awesome. I love the bodywork. Look like they used to have lime duct tape, but now we've gone to the pink stuff. Wonder if a guy drives this thing. I just had to stop and share this with you two Bolognians, because I knew how much you would appreciate seeing this. This is practice. Oh, here he comes. He's gonna come back and get you. Get the puppy, Coda. Get the puppy. Give Coda a kiss. Hi, buddy. What, are you trying to get outside? Is that what you're looking to do right now? Oh yeah, you're so cool. Isn't he cool? Someone on YouTube said you look chubby. But you're not. But I just thought I'd let you know. You look chubby. Maybe it's the camera lens. Want steak? Sadie.
So what's exciting about daily life? Everything? Well, not like everything, but I find in a day, a typical day, you can find some interesting things. And those are the kind of things that we like to share on video. It's common, just average things that happen in a day. And in a typical day, there's at least a couple things that are interesting or maybe worth sharing. What am I cooking? Yes, glad you asked. Well, you didn't, but I did. Salmon. Look at that. Corn on the cob, potatoes. All right, we'll make a deal. I get to brush you, which you hate, but then we'll play frisbee. Okay? Brush first. Should we brush the puppy? And then frisbee. Is it a deal? Brush? Yeah. You hate that part. You're gonna leave the whole dog here on the ground. That's enough to make a pom-pom dog or a Sadie. Come here. Come on, frisbee. You left enough hair here to make a Shih Tzu. Yes. Good girl. You were very patient. Now you get reward. Yes, you get to play frisbee. Look. All done brushing. Time to play. Get it.
Look who wants to snuggle by my feet while I do editing. That's his favorite spot. Be right down by my feet. Who snuck out of the house today? Yeah, you're a bad kitty. You got in trouble, huh? You're sticking close by now. No more sneaking out.
Well, the heat outside, it's kind of like being under house arrest today. And the dog can't really play that much. But yet, with all the sun I got, and the heat and stuff, it's time for bed. So I'm going to sign off. Ooh, I gotta get the dog. She was out doing what dogs do outside. Sadie, listen to those crickets. Hey, and the air conditioner. Hear crickets? You see a cricket? Where is he? Where's the cricket? You wanna go night-night? You wanna go night-night? Come on. Good girl. Well, it's been a full day. You got to see what we do kind of in a typical weekend. And to you, I wish good night. Come on, Pooch. Good night-night. Go lay down. You go lay down. Good girl. Still a little warm, aren't ya? Yes, a good girl.